Hello everyone. So now we are going to talk about the Arduino Cloud. Now Arduino Cloud is basically an IoT platform which is introduced by the Arduino itself. It acts as a bridge between the Arduino boards and the IoT platform servers. Now the specialty of Arduino Cloud is it offers a wonderful dashboard which can be used to create beautiful UIs to control the microcontrollers. For such, we can look at one example.
So let's get started. First, we will install an library. So go to your library manager and then type in Arduino IoT. You can see Arduino IoT Cloud. You have to install this library. Once installing this, you can go to your default browser. Let's go to the Arduino Cloud website. Once you are in here, you have to first sign in. You can see there's a sign in button in here. Here you have to create an account. I normally sign in with my Google account, so I click this button. Once you're signed in, you can click on get started for free. Now in premium versions, you get premium options, like you have access to much more sensors and variables. But in this free version, we will only get the basic variables and basic sensor controls. So once in here, let's click on new thing. Now we will have to set a cloud variable. Now variable is, in our case, is the LED. So let's set up the LED. Let's name it LED. Then the variable type. First unselect this basic type box. Then type in light. Uh, uh, we are typing light because this IoT platform uses a little basic language and does our work easy. So type in the light, select it, and it will automatically create a function for us. Then going back to these two options, you have to select read and write. As we are using LED, and LED is a controllable unit, so we will choose read and write. And then we want it to change on behalf of our permission, so we will use on change and then add variable. Once done with this, let's associate a device which is ESP32 in our case. Select this. You can see there is no device currently, so we will choose on setup new device. Now ESP32 is a third party device and not something which is made by Arduino. So we will click on third party device, ESP32. Now the model I have is Do It ESP32 DevKit V1. So I will select this, then continue. So we have to name our device. In my case, I will name it my ESP32. Now you can see they have given us a device ID and a secret key. Now this is basically a security key which will be used to connect to the Arduino Cloud servers. So to save this, I will just create a new note, name this important keys. In here, so device ID and secret key. Okay, device ID, secret key. So let's just copy this device ID and then the secret key. Once done with this, you can select this option. I have saved my device ID and secret key, and then continue. Then finally our device has been configured. Now once done with this, let's now connect a network to this ESP32. So we will click on this button, and then let's select the Wi-Fi name we are currently connected to. In my case, it's this. You can see Trias Idea Lab 1. We'll copy this. The password should be present in here. I'll copy this. Once you enter the password, you can see it's asking for the secret key. Now, as we know, we have saved the secret key in here. Let's copy this, paste it in here, and then save. You can see now we have got our network connected in here. Once done with this, then let's go back to this window, and then we will go to the dashboards. Now dashboards is basically used for creating the button which we will be using for triggering the LED. And let's create dashboard. Here you have to go on to add, then select the switch. Now let's name this LED, and we'll link a variable. Now select the variable we just created few moments ago. Here it is. Then we will click on link variable. Now once done with this, click on done. You can see we have created a button. Now let's go back to things. So once you are in the things tab, go on to your thing you created, then go to the sketch, open full editor. Now just make sure you are connected to your board. You can select the board from here and also the port it is connected to. Once this step is done, then as you can see they have already provided us with the basic code. All we have to do is input some basic logic. So let's get started. Let's specify the pin our LED is connected to. So pin mode to put. Then as you can see, they've already given us this function. So let's type in the if LED the value is 1, LED should glow. Bracket close. Again use else. Right to low. Once done with this, let's run the code now. So might take some time. Meanwhile, let us install the IoT app by the Arduino through which we will control the LED. So go to the Play Store and type in Arduino Cloud. As you can see, there are no errors in the code and it's properly uploaded to the ESP32. So you can see IoT remote in here. This is the app you have to download. Once you install this app, open this app, you should see a screen like this. In this screen, just sign in with the Arduino Cloud account you just created on this website. Once you sign in, hold on, let me sign in. So once you sign in, it should showcase all the dashboards you have created. So we recently created this one dashboard. Let's click on it, and here you can see there's a on and off button, and here is our LED. As you can see, as I am clicking on and off, the LED will glow according to it. Thank you.